Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Appreciate you viewing in and subscribing, liking and commenting, clinging that bell. Anyway, today we're working on a bumper repair. Customer just wants me to try to pop it out, which we can. It's not going to be a perfect repair or anything like that. We're just going to push it out from the inside and do the best we can. So I kind of thought I'd make a quick video on how I do it. Yeah, we got scratches around the outer perimeter and we hopefully can buff them off. But when you do a repair like this, you heat it, push it out from the backside, and you're always going to have a little ridge around here. It's just going to make it look a titch better for the guy. I mean, the bumper's in really rough shape. He just doesn't want to see this anymore. And I told him it wasn't going to be anywhere close to perfect, but we'll get it as good as we can. So this is going to be a real-time video. As you can see, I already tore it down. Had to take taillight out, a couple fasteners on top here and on the bottom for the bumper to be removed. But here we go, and I'll kind of give you a bird's eye view on how I can push that out with a heat gun. It's all you need. So I'm going to set the camera down here, see if we can get it to view here for you. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that's about it. Just got you on top of a heat lamp. Okay, I'm just going to, actually, first thing you want to do is make sure you got a glove. Make sure you got some gloves. And I'm hoping you can see that bumper. Let's get it around in here, get a little close up going on. Okay, I'm going to save that glove for later. So get a heat gun, and you want to heat this rubber up. Not overheat it, but you want to get it warm. So it's going to take a bit. I got this heat gun at Harbor Freight a while back. I actually like it. It didn't look like my other heat guns, but so I wasn't too happy with the way it looked, but it's definitely performs. So yeah, you want to keep checking the bumper, making sure it ain't too hot, because you'll bubble the paint if it's too hot. So I'm kind of moving it around, getting it warm, and it's starting to get warm now. Heating it all over the place. Okay, now she's starting to heat up. Kind of heating around this ring, this outer ring. Because that's where the bumper's got to move. It's got to move in the center too, but okay. Now I'm gonna, let's see if I can just push it up here, but yeah, I think you can. Okay, so kind of pushing right here, seeing if I can just get this out. Okay, look at that. And then I just pushed all the way down with my hand. So right away that came out pretty good. Okay, so we still got a low here, and it came out really good. Up in this area, there's like a body line. I don't know if you can see it, but, and of course that ridge is still there probably, but that's technically that's good enough. But I'll show you kind of. Sorry about that. The camera kind of shut off. So anyway, I'm going to heat this area now because it's still low, and we'll push that out, and I'm going to thumb these areas, and that's all I'm going to do. put the bumper back on. So let's do it. Heat it. Take my glove off so I can feel how hot the bumper's getting. We don't want it too hot. Okay, it's still warm from the last time, so now I'm gonna reach in the back side here because I can get at it better. And I'm just gonna push on it. So basically I'm pushing in the middle. I'm pushing in the middle of it, and then I'm kind of thumbing it where that outer ridge was. And you can feel it, of course, and just see. I feel a little low right here. Feels good here, here, here. This is a body line already, so we're good there. See that dent? The dent pretty much came up. So now, let's see what we got. Okay, I'm gonna lower this down just a little bit. Okay, I'm happy with that. So on all these rubber repairs, you're always going to have that ridge. So now I'm going to just heat this ridge, get in the backside. I'll be pushing about here, and I'm going to thumb it down all the way around, and then that's going to be it. That'll be it. Unless you want to do body work on it, which you can do. But this guy just wanted it a little bit better. And the only ridge I really see is up here and a little bit on the side. Over here you don't really notice it. So, and you can't get too picky because it's not going to be a perfect repair, and there's no reason to be wasting too much time. Okay, just want to get it warm. You don't want to get it blazing hot because you'll burn the paint and then you're just going backwards. So I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just pushing on, just pushing it down the best I can, and can't really get behind there. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. That did come out pretty good. It's kind of like doing PDR on a bumper. So yeah, it's not perfect. And I'm gonna take the buffer. I'm just gonna buff around here, try to get some of the scratches out for them, and call it good. So just want to make a quick video on it and to show you. You can do it by yourself, and it's not that difficult. You just got to figure out how to get your bumper off, which isn't too hard these days. A lot of plastic clips. Anyway, yeah, appreciate you watching, and please like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again. Have a great day.